Hey friends, tired of having muscle pain and fatigue and soreness and all that? Well, today we're checking out the Real Massager for real life. This features a head with an infrared light and heat. That's it for that. Excellent little carry case. Very convenient. Nice little bonus there. Okay, so we have a charging cable. Oh, that is pretty sweet. We have the power button here on the back. Hold it down and then press it to different modes. And hold down to turn it off. Very easy. See how quiet that was even on the highest mode? We have our battery indicator here on the back. It's a nice grip handle. It's got some kind of like a silicone on there, so that's cool. Check these out. So just pop these in basically. Okay, so these ones actually screw in, so that's cool. Some of you just pop in, some are different. This has like a little rebounding head on there. Just hold down our button. There we go. Oh wow, that feels really good. Actually just started working out again, so I'm gonna be probably using this a lot. Some nice impact on our shoulders. Oh yeah. So it has the 6 different heads here. Turn that off and just give it a left clockwise or counterclockwise to unscrew it. We have the different heads. This one, nice little foam one, more for like a targeted areas. We have this one that goes, I believe, down the spine there on either side, so that's cool. Oh, we have a nice like a metal one, like 0 give to that one, in a nice like a steel. And then here it is, what we've all been waiting for. Infrared, get off of me. We got the infrared heat. This one comes with, you can charge it up here on the side too. So what? Let me see here. Oh. Got that. We should have 3 different heat levels, or 2, I think. We have our little, so we have the yellow button on the side. When it turns yellow, you press it again, it turns red. Oh, whoa. Oh, okay. It just startled me. It's warm already. That's really, that heated up quickly. And then we have infrared with the impact. Look, I like how that stands up too. So if we're going to just like massage our forearm or something here, turn that on. You can feel the heat right away on there, so that's nice. So the heat combined with the massage, the impact, that is just really cool. And then you got the infrared lighting as well, which is going to help just penetrate that heat down into the muscles and the skin there. Oh yeah. Wow. That's crazy fast. So quiet that is too. If you're just like surprised that even though this is moving like insanely fast, this is just really not a loud one at all. I like that. I've never had like the massage with the heat on there, so that's definitely a nice bonus there. And we can just turn that off. Okay, yeah, hold that down and those go off. So we can see I turned this off, so it's starting to cool down a little bit. And now if we turn on the heat here, let's see how fast that's warming up. Look at that. 31, 32, 33, 34, 37, 34. So just a really nice device here, guys. I really like that heat along with the infrared, along with the massaging is just really cool. Well, friends, final thoughts on this Bob and Brad massager. This thing works excellent. It's got plenty of power. I've been using it for a while now. The battery lasts a long time. It's super quiet. The 5 different massage levels, it's plenty of intensity, and just switching these out is super easy. Screw them in place so they're not going to fall out. Whether you want all the heads work really good. I mean, just for specific things that you want, like this is going down the spine is kind of nice right on either side. Whether you want just a more targeted approach with the fine-headed massager, or you want the rubber one or the foam one, the hard foam, or the heated one with the infrared lighting. Just like fully customizable for the massage that you want, basically what muscle groups you want to target, whether you want to, give yourself a massage or somebody else a massage with this thing. Does a excellent job, plenty of power, easy to charge up, no problem. Just plug in your USB-C right here in the bottom. Very comfortable. It's ergonomic. Basically, it's got this nice like silicone type handle on here, material. Everything seems to be well built and sturdy. This thing is metal. Does come with a little bit of grease there too. So if you need to lubricate this a little bit, that's a lot. I mean, it has pretty high RPMs on this thing, as we can see. But just even on super high speed, you still barely, not loud at all. So I really like that. I like that the battery indicator is very easy to see, still full charge on this. And also you can see what mode you're on with that. So very well designed. The case, once again, you can just zip this up and put it away. Very convenient. Take everything with you, whether you're going on vacation or whatever, and you want to have your massage stuff ready for you. Very handy. I like that. Sometimes you get some products and they don't come with anywhere to put them, so they're just kind of laying out, and then stuff can get lost or whatever. With this nice carry bag, everything stays together, everything's convenient, easy to find. So just a great product, works excellent. I'm really impressed with it. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.